Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to explore addition and subtraction of algebraic fractions. So let's zoom into the first part where we try to recall what we have done previously. Alright, when we try to evaluate the following, let's look at this part A first. Every time when we want to evaluate fractions, meaning add or subtract fractions, we always must make sure that the denominator is the same. Yeah? And therefore, you can see me trying to make the 3 multiplied by 2 such that I can have the same denominator. So for this particular question, the common denominator in this case will be 6, and 2 times 2 will be 4. I still have my plus 1 on top. And so finally, I will get 5 over 6. So let's move on to the other part. And from here, you will then be able to see that I will try to make the denominator the same. Okay? By having that, and from here, I will multiply by 3, multiply by 3, multiply by 5, multiply by 5, such that the denominator here will be over 15. And here, 4 times 3 will be 12. I still have my minus. And the numerator here will be 10. So final answer, over 15, 2 over 15. Still remember this? And so using this, you could then see that when we try and add or subtract algebraic fractions, if they have the common denominator, we would just need to add or subtract the denominator, okay? The numerator, sorry. And express your answer as a single fraction. Alright. As for the fractions without common denominator, we will try to find this is something for you all to take note, lowest common multiple of different denominators, so that we could then express the algebraic fraction as equivalent fractions. With a common denominator. After which, then we add or subtract the numerator and express your answer as a single fraction with the common denominator. Okay? So lowest common multiple is actually the smallest algebraic expression that we can exactly divide by both expressions. Alright? So with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.